Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jethro. So today guys, we're going to unbox something, and it's a very special one because after how many years I have a replacement of that item already. Okay, so yeah. wait Okay, so welcome back guys. So we're going to unbox now this one. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Oh, it still has this. Wait, I have scissors. I need scissors for this one. Got it. So here, ta-da! Here it is. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in, what's the color? In Sierra Blue. Choo! 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 I'm so excited! Oh my god. Okay, so it's very thin. Kasi before yung mga iPhones na mga phones with a box, medyo bulky siya, mga malalaki siya. I have it there but I don't wanna. Okay, I'll just get it and compare with. Okay, so this was the case for my iPhone 10 Pro Max. As you can see, it's very thick, and this one is very thin. As you can see, the difference, right? See, it's like double the size of this one for the box. So yeah, that's the difference when it comes to the box. Okay, but anyway, let's unbox this one, this baby now, this very beautiful phone here. Let's unbox this, and yes, let's do it now. There's a sort of like an indication that you need to rip, and yeah. You have to remove that, and then another one here, you need to remove it also. Okay, now here it is. Oh my god, it's so nice guys, it's so nice. I don't want to be like that. I don't want to be, yeah, because it might fall down. Okay, so let's remove it from the box. So this one, and what's inside is, of course, let's put it here first. We have a cable, and yeah, just that. Only the cable. We don't have the, what do you call it? The other one before the for the charging. I don't know what you call it. What do you call it? I forgot. What do you call it? The the charging port. I believe. Yeah, the charging port. And this is the charging cord. This is the cord. Okay. So yes, that's the one inside the box. This and the phone. And I'll remove this one now, and here it is. Ah, so nice, right? It's in blue, in Sierra blue. So nice. Okay, so we're going to turn it on. Okay, where's my phone? Ah, it's there. My phone's there. Someone is watching me, guys. Someone is watching me. So yeah, this is it. So we're going to turn it on now. How to turn it on? There it is. So excited. And there you go. Hello. Okay, so that's the ring light there. So yeah. So yeah, that's it. I will just I will not show you how to set it up, because it's, you know, because I want to transfer the old data that I have there in my old phone, the iPhone 10 Pro Max, XS Max I mean. I will be transferring it here. So yeah, and actually I have here screen protectors for this one. I have this one, tempered glass, this one, this, and this. I have a case also. This is a case for this one, for this 13 Pro Max, and tempered glass also for it to be fully protected. Okay, so yeah, just that. It's already I'm going to set it up, but I don't want to be I'll not be showing it to you anymore. I will just be I'm just doing the unboxing. I don't want to be showing you how the features and how to set it up and things like that, because it's gonna be a very it's gonna be a very lengthy video. And yeah, I'm just so excited, guys. I am just so excited to use it now. That's why I don't want to be having so much things to talk about here in the vlog. I'm just so excited to use it. And yeah, and since I'm done unboxing, actually since I'm done unboxing this one, I'm going to set up everything, transfer the file from here. I'm actually on call right now, so I'm on call. I'm on call. Yeah, so I'm just going to transfer the file here into this new phone, so that I'm gonna be using it after. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, just that's it. It's a very nice matte feel at the back, and glossy here on the sides. It's glossy. It's glossy. And so yeah, that's it. So this has been Jethro Pie. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and of course the notification bell, so that you'll be notified when I have new uploads, okay? And see you on my next upload.